In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to add a validation widget to the dashboard view of MARACOOS OceansMap. So in order to do this, we need to go into the Add Widgets tool and scroll down to Validation Statistics. So I won't go into any detail of what the validation tool does. I do that in a separate video, but I will show you how to create a widget of one. So we have our preview section here, the settings section. So we have the option to show the title, the scatter chart, and the time series chart. So we're first prompted to select a parameter. So let's select wave height. Next we want a baseline station. So I know that the Nantucket station records wave height. And as a comparison model, let's go ahead and select Atlantic wave height. For the time range, we have an offset range by default of 2 days in the past or 48 hours until right now, or the user can select specific start and end dates and times with this tab here. For this scenario, let's use 60 hours in the past up until right now. And then the user is prompted to create a title if they would like. Let's leave that and hit Add Widget, and you can see that data loads in quickly. So we have our error statistics table with number of points, bias, R-squared, RMS, and scatter index. We can download the data here. We have our scatter plot located here with the download option there. And the user can scale the widget with this option here. They can go ahead and edit the widget and delete the widget with these buttons down here.